When your Linux Mint system feels slow to boot, it's rarely the system itself. Most of the time, it's a few background services quietly adding delay. So instead of guessing, the first step is to actually measure what's going on. Start by checking your total boot time using the shown command. This gives you a simple breakdown of how long your system takes to start. You'll notice kernel time and user space time, and in most cases, the real delay sits in user space. Now, to understand what's causing that delay, use the shown command that lists services by startup time. This gives you a clear view of which services are slowing things down. Just go through the list calmly and pay attention to anything taking more than a few seconds. To see how those services affect the overall boot sequence, use the shown command for the critical chain. This shows the order in which everything loads. Think of it like a chain reaction. If one service takes longer, everything after it has to wait. Once you've identified the slower services, you can start trimming things safely. Before disabling anything, check what the service actually does using the shown command. This helps you avoid turning off something important. If it's something you don't use, like Bluetooth or printing, you can disable it using the shown command. These small changes add up and reduce unnecessary work during startup. One of the most common slowdowns comes from the system waiting for the network to be fully ready. For most people, this delay isn't needed. You can disable that behavior using the shown command, and it often removes a noticeable pause during boot. Now shift your attention to startup applications. Even after your system boots, some programs launch automatically and slow down your login experience. You can list those applications using the shown command. Each item there represents something starting in the background. If you find anything unnecessary, you could remove it using the shown command. Just take your time and only remove what you recognize. Next, reduce the delay before your system even begins loading. By default, there's a short wait in the bootloader. Open the configuration file using the shown command, then lower the timeout value. After that, apply the changes using the shown command. This removes a few seconds of idle waiting every time you start your system. Now it's a good idea to clean up your system. Over time, unused packages can build up and create background clutter. Use the shown commands to remove unnecessary packages and clean your system. This keeps everything lighter and more efficient. If you want to go a bit deeper, you can also check for failed services using the shown command. If anything shows up, it's worth looking into and disabling if it's not needed. Once everything is done, restart your system and check the boot time again using the same command you used earlier. You'll notice the difference, not just in numbers, but in how quickly your system feels ready. And that's really the goal here. You're not forcing speed, you're removing delays. And once you do that, Linux Mint starts to feel exactly how it's supposed to feel: fast, clean, and responsive.